Hello, my name is Ashra Pratiti and I'm a final year student in Information Science at Cambridge Institute of Technology. The Microsoft Student Club has been a transformative experience for my academic journey. It has provided me the opportunity to collaborate with my peers, explore interests, and also learn key skills for my career. We, as a team, organized various events for our college which expanded my technical knowledge and confidence. We also got to learn firsthand from industry leaders through the Azure community events. I even had the opportunity to attend Microsoft AI Tour, where we got to see and hear from Mr. Satya Nadella in person. I'm thrilled to share that I've recently gotten placed at Saskin, a milestone made possible only through the skills I've learned from the Microsoft Student Club and the support of the HRD team. Their meticulous training has equipped me to be able to handle any interview and also has given me the confidence to take on the professional world. I am extremely grateful to both the Microsoft Student Club and the HRD team for the opportunities that they have given me and their support. Thank you.